Hi folks, JD here again. So we're off to do a little bit of shopping this morning, and what I thought I'd do is, whilst we're there, is check out my first supercharger. I've never used a supercharger before. I don't even know whether it'll work. I don't even know how I'm going to pay for it. I'm supposed to have 1,000 free miles, but I can't see them in my loot box anywhere, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. So join me later when we get there and we'll see if the superchargers work. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, we're here folks on arrival, and I can see the superchargers in the distance and it's looking good. There is only how do we get to them? Do we go up here? Can't go up here, can I? No, I can't.
Don't do that, you can't get to it. You just need
How do you get to the things?
You're just going to go exactly the same as you've done before.
I'm going the wrong. What the f***? It's all one way. Right, here we are folks. So I'm going to go every other one. So I'm going to go to the middle one. Let's see. This one here. Now I believe you have to reverse right until you get to the bump stop. So let's see.
So grab a bargain value, enjoy an even more flower-filled summer than usual. I have.
There we go. Right. Okay, so what do we do? There. Ooh, opened automatically. Look. There we go. In there. Okay, it's gone blue. Flashing blue. It's gone green. It's doing something. It's charging. All right, let's see what the car says. We're getting 105, 106. Wow, look at that. 480 miles an hour. Brilliant. I'll tell you what I need to do. Let me just take over the camera. Let's set the charge limit a bit more than 50% because it will be a bit of a pointless thing, won't it? So let's go. Oh, can I not set it now? Oh, set limit. Here we go. Right, I'm going to put it on to, let's go to 80. Right, 30 minutes remaining folks to get from 36% to 80%. Charging at 112 kilowatt hours, or 112 kilowatts. We've already added 2 kilowatts and it's charging at about nearly 500 miles per hour. Okay, check back in shortly. So I've come back to the car in literally about 20 minutes. I've set it to charge to 80%, and as you can see we are nearly there. This has been super easy compared to a lot of those videos you see of apps where you have to go to a charger, register for the app, download the app, make an account, blah 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 blah. This was super easy. Oh, it's nearly finished. Okay, thanks for watching folks. See you next time.